While I was watching a tutorial on YouTube, I realized something. There was some panels that I was trying to look for, which was the edit panel and the effects panel that was just missing. It was missing. Those two panels were missing, and while I was watching that tutorial, I actually struggled because I couldn't find that those two panels. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find them. It's actually quite simple, but because I was a newbie, and I don't consider myself a professional or even advanced. I'm still a learner, intermediate. I'm still learning, probably not even intermediate. So, but the point that I'm making is that I found the solution for this problem, and it's quite simple. So what you have to do, guys, is just to go to window, and then here, apparently here in window, we have effects and effects control. Now if I click on effects, or I shift+7 to use the shortcut, click on effects, now I have effects here, and it's quite simple. And then you can click on effects control, and now you have effects control. And you can also use the shortcut shift+5 or shift+7 for effects. Another way, in fact, is if you go to workspace and you click on different workspace you have here, instead of editing, you click on effects. Now you have a different workspace, but you also have here, if you go, you see you don't have effects, but you actually have here effects, effects, graphic effects. Here you have effects, and effects control you have right over here, located in this part of the software. And now you can also go back to the editing workspace, and then I can go to workspace and I can click on reset to saved layout. And now we have the same, we don't have the effects one, but we have the same workspace, the editing workspace, but it's actually a default one, the one that you had when you just installed Adobe Premiere. Because by mistake I actually made a lot of changes. I actually changed some things by mistake. If you, because it actually is quite easy, if you just grab something, a panel, if you move around, you can actually position a workspace where you want. So that's great, but sometimes this can be annoying if you're a beginner and you don't know what you're doing. Because I know by mistake I just grabbed a panel and I moved it, and then I didn't know what just happened. And but it's cool that the fact that you can, so see here all the projects, all the videos, history, info, and all the, also even the timeline. You moved, actually you completely changed this, but I actually like the default one. Reset to save layout. You can also use alt shift 0, and it works perfectly, the shortcut. And here, if you can't find effects, but in the saved layout, saved one, you already have here this panel, effects panel, and actually edit panel. Because edit panel is, click on a video, and then you have the properties, the edit properties, the edit controls of that video, and then effects here, just effects. So yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful. Now you're more familiar with Adobe Premiere, and now you just don't give up. If you have a problem, find a solution, and you can improve. Can learn Adobe Premiere. It's actually a great software, editing software. It's actually really, really popular and awesome. So yeah, if you, I hope now you found the solution, and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any questions, just things that you came across, or problems, or issues that you faced in Adobe Premiere, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, and I hope you can have a fantastic day.